You look like a hardcore hose.
Yeah, you pull all them hose.
Fill that truck. Fill the truck.
Alright, so we're getting ready to film a rain video, and how cold is it outside?
Like 40 something?
About 40, 50.
About 40 degrees out, so I'm gonna get really wet, and John's gonna be the fabulous director.
And he's in short sleeve shirt. Yay!
I go hard when I film these videos.
I wish there was a screen on.
Oh, and I brought that hose all the way around from the back to come to find out that there's already a hose here.
That one right there.
Smart thinking.
We're pretty smart people.
Aww.
Film camera move it. See that?
Look at him, so ferocious. Look at him.
Film camera move it. Let's see how good of a driver Cameron is. Oh, he's actually pretty good, I guess. Yeah, it's not.
Angles.
When you turn around and be like.
So that it'll throw more cement. We're losing this cement. The cement was dying.
John's just always smiling at.
Oh no, I don't want to get all my mags and stuff though.
Ah, don't get my car wet.
Bro, you're gonna push the guy with water?
Yeah.
You underestimate my power.
You could name your car a girl's name and then be like, I got Cassandra wet today. That's where people criticize the most.
And now that you're in the
most common
bloopers,
missed parts.
now that you're in the bloopers or the behind the scenes people.
I'm not talking about my overly muscular thighs, I'm talking about the wet spot.
Do these look retarded? What's going on?
No, dude, they look fun.
This? Okay. Alright, go.
Well, maybe you should just tuck it.
Alright, so when I tell you to put the water over us,
I love how you're only getting his pants.
higher.
Is it cold?
Yeah. Stop! You're good! You're good! You're good! Alright, ready? What?
You want me to stand over here?
Yeah! Alright, you're ready? Oh my god, that is so cool. Alright.
What about his back? Because that's what I'm going to be filming.
Damn it, Michael!
You're going to film it.
Stop! Stop! Are you filming, John?
Yeah, dude.
Alright, Michael, you ready?
Yeah, quality garage.
While you're filming, just do.
Cut! What? It broke. But it's okay. It's not okay. Yeah, dude, it's okay. Just a flat, you gotta put it.
The water being on sucks. You said to put it down. I put it
I
down.
said put it down, not throw it
I
down.
did. Go.
What? Cut! You fell. You just fell. Look at the rain. You fell on fake rain. Yeah.
Oh my god, get me out of the rain!